This video is brought to you by Geekera 3-in-1 wireless charging station. So this is their new 3-in-1 wireless charging station from Geekera. This company makes one of the best wireless charger in the market right now. So this is their brand new model which supports all devices that supports Qi wireless charger. So once we open the box, we got the wireless charger itself, a guided note, USB Type-C cable, and USB Type-A adapter. They have two colors of this wireless charging station that you can choose from. One is black and one is white. This wireless charger have a stand for your phone, so you can use your phone while it's charging. This charger have capability of charging your AirPods, Apple Watch, and your phone at the same time without overheating. So check the link in the description down below to get yours. Now let's start the video. What's up guys, Cedric is here, and in this video I'll show you what's on my iPhone 13 Pro Minimal Edition. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is how my lock screen looks like. I've got this really cool wallpaper from Wallcraft. If you guys don't know that wallpaper app, it's this wallpaper app. You can simply download it from your app store. It has some ads, but it looks very great. I like it because it has all different types of wallpapers that you needed, and it's free too. So you can download this from the link in the description down below, and I showcase this app all the time on my other videos. So this is my first page of my home screen. As you guys can see, I have a blank widget on the top, and it's a smart stack, which I can switch it to weather app or other save suggestion. And also I have other one which I can see the news. And for the apps, I keep some random apps which I needed daily basis, so I just keep them there. And on the bottom I have the apps that I use more often. So yeah, let's go to the next page. The next page I have a motivation widget, which I really like it. And also I have two blank widgets. As you guys can see, it's right here and also right here. And on the left side I have some social media apps that I use on daily basis. So if you guys want to know how I did this, you guys can just simply comment it and I will make video about this setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.